Hello, everyone. Welcome to the series of success story sessions. We always believe that we have to strengthen your profile and you would, anyways, be able to crack the interviews, right? So, we have today with us Prasad. Prasad has done his BTech in electrical and electronics engineering. So, he's from non IT background, yeah, only from the educational qualification standpoint. And then he joined TCS as an IT analyst. He has worked there and he joined 360DigiTMG. He got trained and he worked on the real world projects. He gained immense amount of knowledge. He put in his hard work and dedication in the first place. And today he is working with PWC. He joined a PWC as an associate, but he'll be working on data. Thank you so much, Prasad, for providing your time. It means a lot. So, how was your journey, Prasad, from non-technical person to TCS to getting into this field of data?
Yes, before going to answer that question, I need to very much thankful to 360DigiTMG Institute because obviously I am the non-technical background, as you said. 5 years of experience as a tech and 2 years of experience as a technical knowledge. I need to first I have taken the decision to upskill myself in the aspect of in the future, next 5 years of IT culture, what gonna be happen. I need to have a DA or DS, data analyst or data science, because I have the knowledge of data tools like Microsoft Excel and Tableau as well. But I some of organizations are getting migrated data from Tableau to Power BI. So I need to learn Power BI and I need to learn data engineering concept. What are the typical pipelines that are included in cloud platforms. So I need to upskill myself. I have taken the decision to move to the institute like that. So as a part, I am the part of 360DigiTMG, but my world is different because I have taken different plans. As an experienced guy, I have taken Naukri premium account and everything, and I have enrolled to the every organization like Big Four and TCS, other IBM. I have enrolled accounts. In that account, I have my CV put over their external portals. So I got an update from their portal emails through to my personal emails, so that I get contact from the direct recruiters. So I got call from the direct recruiters, not consultancy or other. Actually, I followed that process. Obviously, I need to share myself because I got very much knowledge. I got very much knowledge from the TCK, so that I need to share my experience to the institute as well. This is my responsibility.
Wonderful. Good. Data engineering is very, very lucrative, by the way. And I'm very glad that you got into that stream. So, Prasad, if you were to give guidance to our people who are currently undergoing training or who have just completed the training, and if you want to suggest them on how should they actually get into this field of data engineering or data analytics, what would be your suggestion, Prasad, to them?
I followed only 3 steps of within the 360DGMG. I followed the assignments as per the schedule, and I have taken my own projects in different platforms like Kaggle and other for SQL.com, practice.com. So I have followed that a few websites for the practice purpose. And for career perspective and interview perspective, I have taken some career counseling as well. I have enrolled for career counseling. Some of the people are counseling for the career. What are the aspects that you need to convert from non-technical how to face the interview.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. So Prasad is saying clearly that technical knowledge alone is not sufficient.
Not
You have to
certificates.
put in the effort from your side. You have to apply for the different jobs. At least that's the bare minimum expectation. And probably that's one reason why Prasad could successfully get a job. Yeah. Yeah, you were saying something, Prasad. Did I interrupt you?
Yeah, nothing more than that. But nothing. Confidence is not losing the confidence. Every time our mindset is to achieve opportunity itself. Yeah.
True.
Because I am actually at the starting of joining in institute itself, I am very afraid of, because I am the ongoing experienced guy, and I have taken the gap of 3 to 4 months, and I don't know whether I can track, whether I can track in, or again there is a big gap between the career. I am afraid of, but nothing. I didn't lose confidence, obviously.
Yeah. Wonderful. So don't lose confidence, friends. You have to be very confident and then appear for the interviews. And obviously, with the technical knowledge and your confidence levels, you'll be able to crack the interviews.
But
Thank you so
definitely,
much.
I can say that 80% as of contribution will be the part of 360 DigiTMG, obviously.
Thank you so much.
20%.
Thank you so much, Prasad, for that. Yeah.
Thank you to people also.
Thank you. And please do stay in touch, and please keep referring whenever there are job openings in your company, in your department, and help the fellow 360 Digit MG folks. Thank you so much. All the best.
Yeah, thank you.